everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic basic elements of HTML. For an example, we can take heading tag, that is from 1 to 6. Next can be P tag, that is paragraph tag, pre tag, image tag, and many others.
So now we will write our HTML code and save the file like heading or break tag .html, that is the extension of HTML file, and we will save the file here in any folder. So we will again write the HTML and enter. So you can see the table is being written here. So in title, we can write any title that is displayed on the browser. So as an example, I am writing, you can set any page title here. So now H1 tag, that is heading tag. So in heading tag, for an example, we will write our institute name, that is Suman Tech Solution. And we will save the file. And now we will go to the browser to run our file. Suppose we are going to Google Chrome. We will refresh and you can see the heading tag H1 written as Suman Tech Solutions. This title is written at the browser URL, that is you can set the page title here, and the Suman Tech Solution, that is H1 tag, is written in this size. So you can set the size automatically which you want in your heading. So next is H2 tag. So in this also we will print something, that is mobile number. So we will refresh here. So you can see the size of the title, heading tag, mobile, and next is H3 tag. So again we will print something here. For an example, email. So we'll write the email here, that is info@sumantechsolutions.com. We will save the file again. And after refreshing, you can see the email written here in a different format, in a different size. After that, H4 tag. So here also we will print some lines. So we will write the heading, that is registration office, that is 1768 Maharaj Nagar, adjoining RS Motors, near PAU, Ludhiana. So we will refresh our file again and we can see our heading tag. And now H5 tag, we will display some message over here, that is branch office and the further address, that is Chandni Chowk, Jitwarpur, Nijamat, near Samastipur, ITI College, so we will save the file again, go to the browser, refresh again, and you can see the heading tag here, that is branch office. So next, here we can write BR tag, that is break tag. Save the file again, go to the browser, refresh the file again, so you can see the break here. So again BR tag break. So we'll save the file again, go to the browser and refresh the page, so you can see the more space here. Next we can write HR tag, save the file, go to the browser and see, refreshing, so you can see the line over here. And next we will try to make our tags in an accurate format so it can be easy to understand what we are writing. So in now we can relocate our tags like this. Save the file again. Refresh again. So this is our page that we have created in the heading tag.
Thanks for watching our session. We will meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.